Shells, saan tayo?
Dito tayo sa Schwan 1. Pakifocus na lang kasi I don't know how to pronounce it well.
Ito yun.
Dinata ko ng aking nag-iisang asawa for today.
Bakit ano occasion?
It's our days out, a long overdue date. Mas laging busy, laging pagod. Now is the day.
Yun.
Even though ang aming little son is questioning us. Pauwian na lang natin.
Ito yun. Malaki yung kanyang ano. Ganda yung mga upuan niya. Ako na nakaupo sa wow, this is
The chef is cutting the most crispy part of the duck skin.
Is it okay if you explain?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The chef is cutting the most crispy part of the duck. So for this guy, it's most crispy, and you can dip with the sugar to eat.
Oh, so this is the one, and these are the sauce.
You dip with the sugar to eat, so the flavor will become full of your mouth. So you will feel more tasty and crispy.
Yeah. Thank you, Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice. Ganda lang.
For this duck breast part, the meat it will be more juicy and also skin very crispy. The meat is more tender.
He's very skilled,
The skin is very crispy.
How about you know how to cut also?
Chef will start to slice the duck leg area. For the leg area, it will be more juicy and more meat, and also less fat.
Okay. Actually, this is my favorite.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
in the Philippines also, I eat
Yeah,
duck.
we have many customers like a Filipino and
Yeah.
also have something the European customer come here to
It's
try
my
this.
favorite, yeah.
Yeah. Even the local people
They like
also
it,
like
no?
this.
So it's okay for you. We will upload this in YouTube. You will be seen in YouTube,
Yeah, we also like this very much. This is very famous in the China in Beijing.
So they will see you also,
Yeah.
Because my son is uploading it. My two kids, I have two kids. They are both bloggers. Yeah.
They also will I think they will like this also. If they see this. And after slice, the meat still have the rest part. The rest part is there will be have the duck bone and meat. So for the rest part, we have two ways cooking. One way is cooking the fry with salt and pepper. One way is cooking the soup with tofu and cabbage.
Wow.
Yeah. So which one you prefer?
I think my wife is the one who will decide. You know, in the Philippines, it's always the ladies who will decide. Yeah.
So
Yeah. You can ask her.
or if you would like to try half, we can do also.
Yeah.
Half.
Yeah. Oh, very nice, huh?
Start and try it.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
So for the duck meat, you can take one piece of pancake, make it flat open, and pick the vegetable. Which one you like more, you can put more. take 3 or 2 pieces the duck meat, put in the pancake with the sauce, and after you roll it, then you can start to eat.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Chef will start to slice the duck leg area. For the leg area, it will be more juicy and more meat, and also less.
Actually, this is my favorite.
Yes.
In the Philippines also, I eat
Yeah, we have many customers like a Filipino, and also have something the European customer come here to this. Yeah. Even the local people, they also like this.
So it's okay for you, or you will upload this in YouTube, you will be seen on YouTube, right?
We also like this very much. This is very famous in the China in Beijing.
So they will see you also. Because my students uploaded it, and kids and kids, they are both language.
They also I think they will like this also. If they see this. And after slice, the meat still have the rest part. The rest part is there will be have the duck and meat. So for the rest part, we have 2 ways cooking. One way is cooking the fried with salt and pepper. One way is cooking the soup with tofu and cabbage. So which one you prefer?
I think the one is the one on the side. You know, the Philippines is always very easy side.
So
Can you say 1, 2?
okay. So for the duck meat, you can take 1 piece of pancake, make it flat, open, and pick the vegetable. Which one you like more?
Ang pogi ng lagaan.
Ito na yung soup, sinerve na. Tapos ito pa iba.
Yung kalahati ng...
Ano yung siya mo?
Kalahati nung
Yung duck.
buong duck. You can choose option, but we choose half-half. One fried and one with soup. And look this one. I like this.
It's nice, no? Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you for the blowout, for the date. Hanap kayo ng isang ganito.
May kindat pa. So, anong lasa ng soup?
Sarap. Sulit.
Ako rin, natikman ko yung sabaw. Sarap. Panalo. Ito tong in-order namin. It's almost 500. Of course, hindi pa included yung drinks. Pero ang sarap niya. Dito na lahat.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. So, hi. So, ito, tapos na kami kumain. Yung in-order namin again, it's roasted duck. Tapos yung kalahati, tinanong kami kung anong gusto namin. Siyempre, in-offeran kami nung may sabaw, tapos ibang menu. So, basically, isang roasted duck. 3 menu siya. At siyempre, pinakamasarap yung pinakita namin sa inyo kanina, yung roasted, yung sabaw panalo. Grabe. Ano masasabi mo?
Sarap din. Sarap siya.
Ba't ako lang nag-explain?
Hindi, masarap din siya kahit yung fry.
Oo.
Iba yung lasa niya.
Ba't ako lang?
It's worth the price.
Oo. O, tapos yung pangatlong menu ay yung katabingan ng sabaw, yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Masarap. Talagang wala kang kabigyan ng tulad. Tapos yung drinks, ayun. Panalo. Tapos may take-out pa kami. Kasi sobrang dami nun. So, ito yun. So, matutuwa yung mga bata, mga chikiting.
Para makapag-date kami ulit, kailangan may pasalubong.
Oo.
Ano na yun? Checklist na yun. Nasa checklist. If you wanna go out, kailangan ang tip. Siyempre, mag-uwi kayo sa mga anak nyo.
Ako naman ang aking share for every man's fall or achievement or success. behind him is a woman. Pero ito, beside beside hindi siya behind Kung behind, dapat ito beside.
Tsaka,
So, dito kami sa Juan Xiaoguan. Actually, tapos na kami kumain. Late na kami nakapag-video, so ito yung take-out namin. So, ito na yun. So, Dubai Mall ito. So, hopefully makapunta kayo rito, masarap siya. At panalo. So, try nyo itong lugar, food, panalo, yung staff, very friendly, and
ambience, food,
ambience, yung price is reasonable.
10 out of 10.
Yes. So,
See you
See
on our
you.
next vlog.
okay.
Just follow us and like our channel.
Yes.